Good afternoon, everyone. Another little paver job we're gonna show you guys. Just a nice little 5-foot walkway leading back to a nice circle fire pit area. We did this large walkway because the ground was quite soft back here. So very nice big walkway. Wow, hadn't seen the finished product yet. Well, it's bright out here too. Nice 6x9 border, Sierra pavers. Turning into a nice overlay patio. And then we're coming into a very nice little walkway with a radius 14-foot fire pit area. Nice, simple, easy job. So I think this one was a day and a half. So y'all have a good day. Stay tuned for more jobs posting your way.